this pretty cool piece of live edge teak laying around, and as you might have guessed by the intro, I'm going to be making a candle holder. So I'm just going to cut it to length, and now and I can just get to work on making the recesses that will hold the like the tea light candles. This is made for tea light candles, so I'm going to be doing it two ways, one with a gouge and one with my rotary tool. So the tea light candles, they're 38 millimeters in diameter or 1.5 inch. So these recesses are going to be slightly more than that, so that the tea light can drop in it'll fit very nicely. And I like the texture that this gouge creates. If you want, you can just drill out a 1.5 inch hole, so that it would be easier, and you can just drop the tea light candles holder into that. But I like the texture that this gouge and the rotary tool gave, so I stuck with that. I'm doing this on the new bench that I created. It's quite versatile and really fun to work with. So now I start using my rotary tool, my Fordham rotary tool, to start hogging away material. So this is another way you can do it with a rotary tool. This is a round tungsten carbide burr, and I'm just gonna define like the circle. This is slightly more than 1.5 inch. So I'm gonna first make an outline like that, and then start hogging out material. You can see I'm wearing my respirator because this shoots a lot of dust at you, and it can get quite messy. I've used this after a long time. It was quite fun to use, so I'm just getting rid of the dust because there's so much created. So be careful. Don't hog out too much material. Maybe about 3/8 of an inch should be good enough. So I created something similar to a stippling kind of texture with the gouge, and I tried to do the same with the rotary tool. This is a pretty simple project, so you can make a few of them for the holidays or gift it to someone or keep it for yourself. Whoever gets it, I'm sure they would appreciate it because you have made it with your own hands, so it's quite special, and it would look really nice on a dinner table or a decoration. So try this out. Let me know what you think. How has it turned out? I would love to see what you've created. If you've created any of my projects or done something similar to what I have made, I would love to see what you have done. You can send me a photo on Instagram, or you can tag me, or you can send me a link to what you have created. If it's a YouTube video or anything, I would love to see it. This project is actually a collaboration with another 15-year-old woodworker. He's a wood turner, and he's based in the UK. So we decided to make candle holders. He's going to make a candle holder the way he does it. So make sure to check out his channel and his video. Make sure to subscribe and comment and say hi, and tell him that I sent you. So please check out his video. It will be linked in the description, and make sure to subscribe. With a block plane, I'm just gonna smooth out the back. There were a few bandsaw lines because this was a live edge chunk, and it was kind of rough sawn, so I had to smooth it out with the plane. I quickly did that with a block plane, and then I added chamfers to all the edges except the live edge part. Then I used my branding iron and branded this piece on the back side where we just smoothed it out. And now I'm gonna apply some double boiled linseed oil to get the grain to pop out. This is not gonna be the only finish there because this is not very protected, and this is a candle holder, so it's going to be subjected to a lot of heat. So I just add this for so that the grain can pop and it looks really nice. And then after that, I'm going to let it polymerize, and then my double boiled linseed oil takes about 3 days to polymerize. So after that, I'm going to apply water-based polyurethane, and since polyurethane is really durable, but water-based polyurethane doesn't give a lot of color, so the double boiled linseed oil helped in that, and this water-based polyurethane is just for protection. I'm just going to apply both of them with a rag, and then just going to let it dry, and then it's ready.